Yeah.
Together we'll nab it.
We'll hitchhike, bus, or yellow cabin.
Cabot?
Moving right along. Footloose and fancy free.
Getting there is half the fun. Come share it with me.
Moving right along.
We'll learn to share the load.
We don't need a map to keep the show on the road.
Hey, Fonzie, I want you to turn left if you come to a fork in the road.
Yes, sir. Turn left at the fork in the road. Command.
I don't believe that. Moving right along, we found a life on the highway.
And your way is my way.
So trust my navigation.
California, here we come high in the skyland.
Palm trees and warm sand.
So Sammy, we just left Rhode Island.
We did what?
Just forget it. Moving right along.
Hey, LA, where have you gone?
Send someone to fetch us. We're in Saskatchewan.
Moving right along. You take it. You know best.
Hey, I've never seen the sun come up in the west. A bear in his natural habitat. A Studebaker.
Hey, Fonzie, look up ahead.
What is that?
Maybe we should give him a ride.
I don't know. He's pretty big. Hey there, want a lift?
Oh, no thanks. I'm on my way to New York City to try to break into public television.
Good luck. Moving right along with two birds of a feather. We're in this together,
And we know where we're going.
movie stars with flashy cars and lights with the top down.
We're storming the big town.
Yeah, storm is right. Should it be snowing?
No, I don't think so.
Moving right along.
Footloose and fancy free.
You ready for the big time?
Is it ready for me?